Welcome to another episode of Snom TV. I'm Edwan and I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you of our C520 WiMi phone as well as the C52 expansion module. Firstly, as you're going to see out of the box, the C520 is going to come in this great new box. It's going to give you great accessibility in your warehouse to make sure that you can see exactly where you're storing everything. As you open the box, as normal, you have your quick installation guide that's going to give you the basics about where what goes, where what cable goes, and how to get it installed quickly, as well as your warranty card. All Snom phones, as you know, come with a 3-year warranty, which is going to give you that edge in the market over your competitors and be able to make sure that you, especially on a finance deal, give your customer that warranty that he needs. All right. So firstly, inside the box, as you'll see very neatly packed, is our conference phone. As you take it out, you're going to once again see that quality that you're expecting from Snom, look and feel and design of the plastics. C520 conference phone, monocolor screen, really cost-effective solution for your customers as well. But let's go into a little bit more about the features that you're getting at this solution. So firstly, as you'll see, we've got the two charging docks here, and inside the box you are going to find the two expansion microphones. So as you open them up, you'll see they're really nicely designed small expansion microphones, and inside the box in the corner you'll find batteries, and these are battery operated. So what's going to happen is these will obviously charge as the phone is sitting on the table. When you have a bigger boardroom or you have somebody that doesn't speak very clearly, like I was doing right there, you will then obviously hand them an expansion microphone. It plugs in simply with a battery and it charges right in there, nice and clean. And when you're ready to do a conference with bigger system, you're going to have the expansion mics available right in the corner. So it comes with two of those. Okay. Inside the box, what you're also going to find is your PoE or your power supply. It's going to give you your PoE injection over your power cable that goes into the phone. As you will see, it goes into the unit at the bottom where your power adapter will give you power through the yellow cable. And then you've also got your power supply that will give power to your PoE injector. So after that, what we're going to find in the market is we're getting great reaction from the customers on this product. It's very, very competitively priced, feature rich, and your audio quality and security is going to be what you expect from Snom. Plus you're going to get that 3-year warranty, peace of mind, all in a very attractive carry case. Thank you. That's all from me. If you like this product, please subscribe. Please have a look at our website and for more details. And after this, I'm going to give you a quick update about the expansion microphone that comes with this device. Thank you.